Hello, this is Mark.
I'm Obadiah.
And welcome back for our final and third video there.
Thanks so much for being here. I hope if you haven't had a chance to see the previous two videos, please click the links. There's good stuff on there. Yeah. But what are we talking about today, Mark?
Well, why don't we talk about outside assemblies. Presenters you bring in that are either performing arts in nature or have some topic about like anti-bullying or something like that that's important at your school.
Yeah. Now, when you're going out to select these, first you want to pick the right theme and you want to pick the right group.
Well, wait a minute. First of all, why would they even want to have an outside assembly? What's the benefit? I mean, they're kind of wasting, you could argue that they're wasting an hour of classroom time.
That's right. You're going to have 600 kids all taking an hour out of the day, plus all the teachers, an hour of the day. So you want to make it count. And here's why it's so important. Mm-hmm. I think first off, it just breaks up the routine of school. I mean, it just makes school, wow, we had a whole assembly today. We had musicians there. We had jugglers, magicians, whatever it is. And it was fun. It makes school fun.
I think if it's a good assembly company, it actually raises the morale at the school.
Oh, the morale goes through the roof with this type of stuff. And the kids really need to learn how to be an audience member at a live performing event. It's an important skill to learn.
That's right. Now, we've been performing assemblies for, since 1999. We have 12 different programs. And we've posted this helpful PDF on our website, and we'll make it available to you in the link somewhere on this email.
This is all about how you can avoid some common mistakes that people make so that you can have the most effective assemblies, whether it's us or somebody else.
Yeah. One common mistake would be to not watch a video. You need to watch video footage of the assembly performer that you're hiring to really get a feel for what they're like. Perhaps take a recommendation from a fellow principal as well.
Mm-hmm. You want to find somebody that has a lot of experience so that they've solved all the possible problems before they get to your school.
And they have the experience to know how to engage, because even if their topic is valuable, if they don't know how to engage your students, it's all moot.
Yep, you just wasted an hour of everybody's time, regardless of the fee. That's the kind of important stuff there.
So please feel free to forward this PDF to whoever coordinates your outside assemblies at your school, your PTA mom or your office manager, whoever that might be. Now, we have assemblies on various topics.
Yeah, we do recycling, we do have music assemblies, bullies, success. Mm-hmm. So one of our newest assemblies, very popular. And you know what the thing is, a success assembly, that sets you up as a principal as getting everyone in the school on the same page. Mm-hmm. This is your chance to really show who you are as a leader by not only bringing an assembly to your school that complements your agenda and your goals for the school, but then you also get to introduce that assembly and you get to talk about it before and after so that everybody knows the principal wants this message out.
We hope you will consider our company, Razzle Bam Boom, and we've included our link and you can see videos on each of our many shows. And we hope to see you at your school someday.
Can't wait to be there.
Bye-bye.
Bye.